your question is? Yeah, which you're doing?
Sec square theta.
Question number 1. Yeah, that is sec square theta
Minus
minus
sin square theta
sin square theta
minus 2 sin raised to the power 4 theta
minus 2 sin raised to the power
4
4 theta
upon
upon
so sin square theta से upon
huh?
sin square theta से upon sec square theta अलग है
Huh. Then
sin
इसमें
yes
sin
2 cos
sin
no sir
huh?
2 cos theta
This is 2 cos theta
2 cos raised to the power 4 theta minus
minus
cos square theta
cos square theta
is equal
this
to
is
1
is equal to 1. Is it? Okay. So we can do it sec square theta minus sin square theta. You have taken bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? Upon you have taken cos square theta bracket. Oh, it should be bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Now this is we have LHS, right? So this is, and now we have sec square theta. We have sec square theta minus sin square theta bracket 1 minus 2 bracket 1 minus cos square theta bracket of upon cos square theta bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now next is sec square theta minus sin square theta upon cos square theta bracket 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we have sec square theta minus we can write it sin square theta cos square theta becomes tan square theta, right? And this becomes minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta upon 2 minus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1, 2 cos square theta becomes -1 plus 2 cos square theta, right? So they both are, so they are cancel out, right? And lastly you get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. This is the solution. You done this? Okay. Now come to your question. Question number 25. Huh?
Yes.
Which, how many parts you have done?
1.
Question number 25. What is that?
Cosec A.
Question number 25, part 2.
Yes.
Yes. What? Cosec A
Minus
minus
sin A
sin A
bracket of
sin A bracket of.
sec A minus cos A.
We have done this. Sec A minus
Cos A
cos A.
bracket of
Yeah.
sec square A
Sec square A.
is equal to tan A
Sec square A.
is equal to tan A.
So here is sec square A is equal to
Tan
10
A.
A. This is solution. This is the question. So we can write it like this. You know, cosec A minus sin A bracket sec A minus cos A bracket of sec square A is equal to tan A. This is, so we have LHS is equal to what? LHS is cosec A minus sin A bracket sec A minus cos A, and that is sec square A. So now what you do, this is 1 upon sin A minus sin square, sin A bracket 1 upon cos A minus cos A, and that is sec square A. Now this is sin A we have taken as a common, it becomes 1 minus sin square A, right? Bracket, you have taken cos A, that is 1 minus cos square A bracket sec square A. Now you have, this is cos square A upon sin A into sin square A upon cos A into sec square A is this. So this cos and cos is gone. This sine and sine is square is gone.
cos
It is 1 upon sec square A. See?
yes.
Okay. No need to that. So now you can write cos A into sine A into 1 upon cos square A. This sec square A, this sec square A is converted into 1 upon cos square A, and this cos A is cancelled with this. You get sine A upon cos A, that is equal to tan A, and it is equal to RHS. Do you understand this?
Yes.
This is how we can solve this question. Done? Don't hide. You have done or not?
This would be
Don't be scared of. I know that how much you can do. If you are studying this first time, so how much you can do, I had an idea. So this one, what is next? Should I rub?
yes.
Now, what next? Question number 24. What is it?
Cot theta plus cosec theta
Cot theta plus cosec theta
minus 1
बहुत बढ़िया minus 1
upon cot theta
upon
cot theta
cot theta
cosec theta
cot theta minus कुछ लगा हुआ है
plus cosec
plus cosec theta
plus 1
plus 1
is equal to 1 plus cos theta
1 plus cos theta
upon sin theta.
upon sin theta. This question you just see here. After that you solve. There is a one only pattern here. This is LHS. We have cot theta plus cosec theta, right? Minus 1, in place of 1 you will write cosec square theta minus cot square theta, right? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta upon, you have cot theta plus cosec theta plus 1. Okay, now what you do, you write here cot theta plus cosec theta minus, you write here cosec theta minus cot theta bracket cosec theta plus cot theta, right, upon cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1, right. You take cot theta plus cosec theta as a common, you get 1 minus cosec theta minus cot theta upon is equal to cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1, right. Oh, no, this was plus, huh? So this will be plus and this will also plus. So you have cot theta plus cosec theta bracket 1 minus cosec theta plus cot theta, right, upon cot theta plus cosec theta plus 1. You see here, here is minus cosec theta is written. Check. I know that now, but arrangement is not setting like that. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, and this is minus. So cot is in plus, cosec is in minus, 1 is in plus. So they will cancel out, right? So what you get at last? You are going to get cot theta plus cosec theta, right? Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta. So you get sin theta as a common, and this is cos theta plus 1. So this is, or you can write it 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, that is equal to RHS, right? This is the solution of this question. You have to solve like this, right? This minus minus minus, I was thinking for that because arrangements वैसे arrange नहीं हो रहा था, ठीक है? तो here what we have done, here we have taken this one is converted into, we know that cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So we can take cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this 1 we have, in place of 1 we have taken this, and after that we solve the entire equation. So this is the only condition to solve this kind of questions, right? You learn this. If you not take this question is not going to be solved. No other method for solving this question except this, right? This is in 10th, this is in 11th also. Okay, do it.